Hello, Sprague students! Today we are going to go over entering your course request for next year. That is the 2023-24 school year. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have your course request sheet filled out with all the courses you want to take listed, and then open your StudentVue app. So today, Mickey is going to be our test student for demonstration purposes. So once your StudentVue app is open, you're going to go down this menu over here and click on Course Request. Give it a minute. Sometimes the screen will take a minute to load. So once it opens, you'll see that you may have a couple courses preloaded. We'll go over how to change those in a minute. But go down here and take a look at this graduation summary. It tells you what's required, what you've already completed credit-wise, what you are currently in progress doing. It will populate the classes that you request credit-wise, and then it will show you what's remaining. So this is a good place to come when you've got all your stuff entered to see kind of where you're at towards that graduation goal. So let's get started getting your course requests in. Come over here to this blue button, and it says click here to change your course requests. In this screen, you'll see you have some delete buttons so you can remove classes that you don't want. And down here is a search bar, so you can search for classes that you want to add. So first of all, we want to take a different math class. So we're going to just remove both terms. This is a year-long class, so you want to make sure you get both the S1 and S2 classes removed. Now come down to the search bar and click in here and type in the first two letters of that course ID number and maybe the first number. It will narrow the search down quite a bit. Let's try a different number. There we go. Okay, Algebra 2C is the one Mickey wanted to take. Now we have two buttons here. There's an Add to Request and an Add Alternate. We'll go over the alternates in just a minute. Right now we want to add it to our requests. So make sure you get both Semester 1 and Semester 2. So we have English and Math. Let's continue on adding the rest of the courses. We want to make sure we have 16 classes all together, 8 each term. So we get some American government, we do some econ. So that's our social studies. We have math, English, science, and social studies here. Now, if you see a prerequisite not met, don't worry about that. You'll need to check the Sprague course catalog to see the prerequisites that we are requiring. These are general prerequisites that the district has put in. It's a district level, but each school does kind of their own prerequisites, so don't worry too much about that. Check the course catalog for Sprague and make sure what the prereqs are and follow that. Okay, let's continue on. We'll stick a PE class in there, and he needs to finish his wellness class. He also wants to continue on with Spanish 4 or Spanish 3. So that is a year-long class too. Remember, we want both terms of that year-long class. Let's see, Mickey's pretty into business. So he's going to continue with business ops and management. And he's in marketing too, so he's going to continue with 3 and 4. Now, once you get over 16 courses, you'll see these numbers pop up right here. Go ahead and click on that 30 so that all of your classes will populate on the same screen. It will, you can count them all up, make sure that what you have listed matches what's on your course request sheet. And now let's enter a couple alternate choices just in case. So we'll put in a different PE class. Once you click that alternate button, you see it pops up here into your alternates. And let's see, we'll try some video production, which is a year-long class. Make sure you get both terms of that. And web design. Okay, once you have at least 3 to 6 somewhere in there alternates, and all 16 of your course requests, you are done. So you go back up here and click Return to Summary. So you are set and ready to meet with your counselor. Hang on to your course request sheet until that time. You'll turn it into your counselor, at which time these you will lock your course requests with your counselor. Once they're locked, you cannot change them. If you want to change them between now and the time you meet with your counselor, you can do it by going in and redoing the process we just did. Okay, if you are adding releases, remember that one release equals one class. So if you want to release both terms, you'll need to enter it twice. All right, have a great day, Sprig.